Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to program the basic product searching process, including pagination. So I'm going to show you how it works, and I'll explain the codes. So I'm going to sign into the eShop. You can see I have added the basic search in the home page. So first I'm going to search something. You can search it by the full name or part of their name. I'm going to press the search. So you can see the results in here. Also, you can search it by category, all categories: laptop, desktop computer, mobile, camera, and tab. I'm going to see laptop. So you can see there are two results in laptop category. If you select all categories and press the search button, all of the products will appear in here. This is the pagination. You can move to the next page by clicking the next button. You can go to the previous page by clicking the previous button, or you can click the numbers. So you can go to the page. So now I'll explain the coding of this process. Let's start with the main file, home.php. This is our homepage that displays the search bar, categories, carousel, and product listing. Here we including our database connection file first to make sure we can pull data from MySQL throughout the page. This section contains the search bar. We have an input field for the text search and drop down to select a category. The categories are loaded dynamically from our database using a select query from the category table. This way, if a new category is added, it automatically appears in here. This search button calls a JavaScript function named basic search. When clicked, this triggers the entire search process. Let's see the JavaScript function. Inside this function, we capture the values entered by the user. The search text, the selected category, and the page number. We then store them in a form data object which will be sent to the backend. Here we create We create an AJAX request using XML HTTP request. This allows us to fetch data from the server without refreshing the page. When the request completes successfully, we take the server response, which will be an HTML block of products, and inject it directly into the basic search results div. That means the products will update instantly on the page. Finally, we send the post request to basic search process PHP where the search logic happens. On the backend, we include our database connection again and retrieve the posted values from JavaScript, the search text, the selected category, and the page number. Here's how it works. If only text is entered, we search by product title. If only a category is selected, we search by category ID. And if both are provided, we combine them with an AND condition. This gives us flexible filtering based on user input. Next comes pagination. We check the current page number from the AJAX request. If it's 0, we default to page 1. We count the total number of products matching the query. Then divided it by 8 since we want to show 8 products per page. Here we calculate the offset. This skips the product from previous page and loads only the ones for the current page. We then loop through the selected results and display each product in a bootstrap card format. Each product has one or more images stored in a separate product image table. We fetch the image for that product and display it at the top of the card. We also check the product quantity to show in stock or out of stock labels and disable the buy button when necessary. Finally, we render the pagination controls at the bottom of the search results. Each page number has an on-click event that calls basic search again. But this time with a new page number as the argument. The previous and the next arrows also call basic search. But decrease or increase the page number respectively. This means pagination works entirely through Ajax without reloading the page. So The user enters a search term or selects a category. JavaScript sends the request to basic search process PHP using AJAX. The backend filters the results, applies pagination, and sends back HTML. The page updates instantly without a full reload. This approach gives a smooth and modern shopping experience and easy to extend later. For example, we could add sorting or filters like price range and ratings. That's the that's the complete walkthrough of our basic search and pagination system. Thank you for listening.